Well, good morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
I'm sure y'all can guess what's going down right about now. We are leaving Chuck and the trailer here in Texas.
Yeah, we decided to name the trailer Blackberry, probably Barry for short, so it'll be Chuck and Barry. But we keep forgetting to tell you guys that.
Yeah, so Chuck and Barry. You will see them again, I'm sure.
Yes. You guys know we came down to Texas to look at some houses. We didn't know how long we were gonna stay here. Turns out it was not very long at all. We were here for about a week, and now we are actually about to head back to California to pick up Clementine and start the travels out there.
If you guys have been following along, you know that we came back to the Midwest to spend more time with my family, specifically my mom. We've actually been able to spend a ton of time with her, so it's been awesome. She's doing pretty good. She's doing okay for now, so we're feeling confident to head off back out to California. But we may be back here pretty soon.
Yeah, I think we'll be making frequent trips back, obviously.
Yeah, but you know, Clementine's just sitting in some lot. She's been there for a couple months now, and that's about as long as we want to leave her because we don't want to go back to Rodents. We want to make sure the engine is still working, so we're gonna get out there and resume our adventures in Clementine and Ruby. And man, you guys, we have some crazy epic adventures planned for our West Coast trip. Stick around, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
But first, we gotta get out there. But we got this perfect spot. We got the trailer there. Chuck fits in here.
Yeah.
It's gonna work.
It's mostly covered, which is what we were really looking for, and it won't break the bank, which is very nice. So it's a very safe, very new space. So I think it's all gonna work out.
We really don't want to get any rats specifically in Chuck. So this is our plan. We've got these little rodent scent packs that probably don't work, but they have a mint smell. Apparently mice just can't stand the smell of mint. So we place these in strategic spots just all over the truck, hopefully to add that little extra level of deterrence. Even if it works like 10%, that's good enough, right? I would think.
At least enough to make them go, nah, move on.
Yeah, but then we got this rodent repellent stuff, which is a spray that's suitable for kind of using outside, but I was just gonna kind of spray it around the tires. Hopefully that'll like discourage them from getting up in there. All right, everything's all buttoned up. Goodbye, Chuck. Goodbye, Barry. We only just named her, and now we're leaving.
I'm gonna miss air conditioning. We're going back to no AC whatsoever, but...
No, we have AC in the RV, just not in the front. It's not working right now.
It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine. We'll live.
Summertime, baby.
You guys, we did a horrible job packing this time. We've got this little duffel bag packed to the gills, and we've got these random items that we don't know where to put them.
Yeah, it's really sad. We used to be so good at this.
Yeah, now we suck
badly.
Well, good morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
We're at the airport. I feel like we haven't been in the airport in a very, very long time.
I know, and I honestly don't miss it that much. It's so chaotic.
It is funny. It's like you feel this instant wave of stress the minute you arrive at the airport. Like everyone's hustling and bustling. There's a lot going on.
Hanging off of you.
Yeah, you're trying to store all this stuff. It's crazy.
Eric's boarding pass didn't scan, and that was a whole fiasco trying to sort that.
There's always some kind of problem. But the good news is we are headed to friggin' LA, finally. You guys, we're going to be reunited with Clementine. It's going to happen.
And it's going to feel so good.
Yes, and then hopefully not have to see another airport for quite a while.
Yeah.
I just realized we already said good morning, adventurers.
Oh, well, it's another day, another morning.
Sometimes I forget. We're also in separate seats, so it's not going to be the best travel day.
No, that's okay. I got a lot of girlies movies downloaded, a lot of rom-coms, and Eric has a lot of games on his Switch, so it's going to be beautiful.
All right, you've been chosen. You're 2 boarding groups ahead of me, so.
Dang. All right, well, I'm off. Yeah, good luck. Have fun. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. Our local time is 5:36 Pacific Standard Time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on items stowed.
Hello.
How was your flight?
It was good, although the lady sitting next to me was very peculiar. She sat with the flight instructions, you know, like the safety instructions, over her face for the entire first hour, and then she put a mask on and didn't interact with me for the entire next 2 hours.
You want to tell them about our rental car fiasco?
Yeah, we don't have a rental car anymore because our flight was delayed and the place closes at 6. at an international airport in LA. The rental agency closes at 6 p.m.
Of course, they have tons of cars, but we're probably gonna get a much worse rate.
Oh, it's definitely double the rate that I booked a few days ago. And he's like, oh, you can pick it up first thing in the morning. And I'm like, but I'm at the airport.
We need it now.
I have to leave the airport before the morning.
Okay, anyways, let's go figure it out. Okay, here's the plan. We've decided to forego the rental car. We're just gonna get a hotel and then we're gonna reconvene tomorrow. We're gonna head out to Clementine, all is gonna be well. And then smooth sailing, smooth driving.
Except that an Uber to the hotel is $50, 50 USD to go 3 miles.
Oh my
we're
God.
getting screwed right and left. Holy majoli.
Well, we scratched that on saving money. We didn't save any money. Whoopsie. Damn.
We were so impatient in there. We were trying to look up car rentals and we're like, screw this. It'll just be easier and cheaper. Oh, how foolish we were.
Well, y'all, this is what you get when you book a hotel in a haste, last minute, and you go for the cheapest option. This is the Trend Hotel, and it looks a little rough.
It looks definitely not on trend.
No.
Maybe on trend with burglaries and robbings and lootings.
Probably.
Oh, not what I was expecting. Nice.
Yeah, weirdly, I guess they've renovated it recently. It's not so bad.
Yeah, it smells like a lot of cleaning supplies, but
Well, that's a good thing.
Better than none.
Well, good morning, y'all. We managed to get our rental car, finally.
My word. Took 2 days and many hours and phone calls, but it happened.
Yeah, but man, it's so weird being in a small car. Every time we get in a small car, we're just like, oh my God, we're so low to the ground.
We're so low and tiny, and it turns like this. Like
Turns on a dime.
On a dime.
Unlike every vehicle we own.
Yeah.
That was on a dime that you were doing there.
Yeah, on a dime.
But we're not going to be low down for much longer. We are actually going out to Clementine right now. Now I realize a lot of you are probably wondering why the heck we even got a rental car, because Ruby's out here somewhere, right? Ruby's in one part of LA, Clementine's in another part of LA. We're planning for the worst. So just in case there's something wrong with Clementine, we want to have a nice car to drive around in. Plus we have some friends in the area, we have some errands we wanted to run. So that's the reason why we ended up getting a rental car. It just seemed easier.
Yes, this has AC and none of our other vehicles do. And yeah, just in case Clementine doesn't start, we don't have to Uber with all of our luggage all over the city.
Yeah, but anyway, we are headed to Clementine right now. So fingers crossed there are no issues, no problems, no rats or vermin on the inside, which we've had problems with before. It's all gonna be good. And then we're gonna be high up once again.
High up once again.
I always pointed on her, hoping she'll have like some fun thing to say
It's
before
like 50-50, man. Today it was a big fat 0.
Here she is, little Clementine. I'm so sorry we left you. We didn't mean it.
No weird smells. Oh, that's okay, our batteries are going out in our smoke detector. I don't think I see any bugs.
I was expecting there to be like full-on web here. The car right next to it is just engulfed in webs, but
they do have a window out though, but okay.
I'm still gonna have to check every crevice of here and make sure that there aren't creepy crawlies. And especially up here where we sleep, ugh.
I'm impressed, y'all. I don't see signs of anything having been in here.
All right, now we get to play once again. Will it start? Brrr. That was a drum roll.
That was a good drum roll.
We forgot to disconnect the battery before we left, you guys, so it's very likely that the battery's dead. So maybe it won't start. We'll see. Maybe it'll just explode. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Took it a second, but that fired right up, man. She runs good when she runs, you guys. Woo-wee. All right, y'all, she's running pretty good. We're taking her on our first little drive. We're actually taking her to an RV wash place because we don't really want to do it ourselves. It's actually a truck wash place. They said they can get us in immediately, so hopefully this all works out. This is the life, huh?
Sitting in the AC, watching someone else care for our baby.
Yeah, I think they're only charging us like $55 or something, so that's not bad for a big old RV.
Nicer than us being out there doing this.
Yeah.
It's hard work to wash an entire RV, y'all.
It remains to be seen how good of a job they'll do, but I figure it's got to be better than nothing. And it was so dirty, so many bugs caked on it, spider webs just all over it, dirt and grime from when we took it out into the desert. She needed it.
She needed it real bad. She needed it before we left, but now I'm glad we didn't do that because we didn't realize she was going to get covered in spiders.
Yeah. Well, y'all, it would not be an endless adventure if something didn't go wrong with Clementine. Something has gone wrong with Clementine.
Which is why we are at a very crappy motel instead of in Clementine.
Yeah, we're basically stuck in LA and we have been for the last few days. So what happened was we actually took Clementine in just to get all the tires checked. There was a couple that we knew needed replacing. And once they took the tires off, they informed us that there was extensive damage to the brakes, or basically just the rotors and the pads had been overheated, and he was like not super comfortable with us continuing driving on those. So he's replacing them all.
Along with all of our tires now, I think?
Yeah, we decided to go ahead and replace all the tires. So the cost is quite a bit higher than we expected. It's taken a lot longer than we expected, but it's gonna be road ready after that. We're sad about it, obviously, but I'm trying to remain positive as usual because eventually we will be on the freaking road, you guys.
I will say there are no engine troubles.
That's right, no engine trouble, so that thing is not being touched, all right? Until something breaks, and then it will be touched, but that's not gonna happen, okay? Dang it. But all we can do is put a little smile on, remain positive, and go forward, not backward. So we're gonna go return our rental car, we're gonna go pick up little Ruby Suzuki, and then we are going to head to the RV, which should be done by the end of the day or early tomorrow, and then we're setting off to see California properly this time. Update over. Ruby lives. She's still in one piece.
She is. The freaking LA spiders got her though.
Yeah,
Dang.
man. She has about as many spider webs as Clementine had. Plus, she's obviously dirty. We need to wash the engine because we took it off road that one time and it got really dirty. We need to wash the entire outside. We need to wash the undercarriage, everything. We'll save that for another day though.
Yeah.
But now we have to load all this stuff that we've been toting around back into Ruby, and then we're off. Okay. Man, I hope Ruby doesn't give us any problems. We've had enough problems with Clementine.
Oh yeah, did you start her up yet?
No. All right, let's see if she fires up. All right, not too bad. Took her a little second, but she got there.
Okay, yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yay, all of our vehicles have started.
Yeah, Ruby really never gives us any problems though. You know, knock on wood, cross our fingers, all that stuff. But she runs like a freaking champ, man. She's awesome. We really needed to get Ruby washed because now Clementine's gonna be all clean and we wanna make sure Ruby is, but we really didn't want to do it ourselves. So we took it to another hand car wash place. And man, she needs it. She is covered and caked in dirt. They're gonna clean the inside as well. Hopefully the engine compartment too. We'll see.
All right, Ruby is nice and squeaky clean. For the most part, they missed a couple spots.
Yeah, they did an okay job.
They did an okay job.
I'll give them a 6 out of 10.
I guess what we're learning is that we should ultimately just do this, but it's so much work, it's like 100 degrees outside, so whatever, it's fine. Good news, we just got the text that Clementine is done.
She is done and ready to roll, y'all, and so is Ruby.
Oh my gosh.
The gals are gonna be reunited.
And then we can finally freaking stay in our RV instead of all these dumb hotels.
Yeah. So, let's do it?
Let's do it.
All set.
The question is, did we hook up everything correctly?
Yeah, I think we did. It's hard going from like one vehicle to the next, you know, you gotta relearn everything.
Yeah, make sure everything's hooked and plugged in, lights are working, and with the Suzuki, you got a lot of things to remember so that you don't blow her to bits back there.
Yeah.
But, okay.
Should be good to go now. Until until the next thing goes wrong. Ooh, AC. Oh yeah, I don't know if we said, they fixed the AC, you guys. They had to realign the compressor, the belt kept slipping off, but theoretically it should stay on now, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Should stay on, it's blowing cold, which
Yeah.
is a foreign thing in this RV.
Sounds awful, but it's better than nothing.
Yeah, they put maybe the ugliest light in here ever that doesn't even work.
I did not know they were gonna do that. Okay, well there's no time to fix it now, so. We are conveniently leaving the mechanic in the middle of LA rush hour traffic. We're on the I-210 right now, and man, it's brutal. It's a multi-minute slowdown. Hopefully it's not gonna be too bad, but at least we have AC, you know. That's one
true.
positive. But when we're driving on LA freeways, it always reminds me of that skit from SNL. Take the 405 to the I-10 to 100.
Get back on San Vicente, take it to the 10, then switch over to the 405 north and let it dump you out into Mulholland where you belong.
All right, made it to our campsite. Electrical is on and up and running. We tested everything. Nothing seems to be broken or anything like that. Water is working. We are good to go.
Oh my gosh.
We were just talking about how we just feel completely at home in here.
It smells so nice in here, like fresh wood. Unfortunately, blackberry smells a little bit like plastic when you walk in there.
And we can't seem to get rid of the smell, so
No.
it's always nice coming in here. And then we have much less fluorescent lighting in here. It's much warmer, you know, so it's a nice vibe.
Nice. We opened all the windows. There's a nice breeze. We're gonna air her out and go get some much needed dinner and probably a beer to celebrate because, man, we are just so happy to be back and like things are good, hopefully, and the engine's good and the brakes are good and the tires are good and everything's good.
We've got a lot of miles coming up on our upcoming road trip that we haven't told you guys about. So fingers crossed we have no more trouble with Clementine. She's gonna make it because she needs to take us where we want to go, okay? And we have grand plans.
She must take us.
And maybe we'll tell them our plans in the next video. Ooh, cliffhanger.
Ooh, cliffhanger. I guess that's it for now.
Yeah.
Wow, this has been quite a journey. We thought it was gonna be like 2 days, and now it's been like a week.
Yeah. But we're back.
But we're back! And you guys are coming along with us.
All right, wrap it up.
Okay, goodbye, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.